Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create 404 error page in WordPress Elementor. Let's get started. So on default, this 404 page that I have right here has been created by WordPress itself when I actually signed up for a domain. So this is what it looks like. You can actually head over and edit it out your Elementor. So in order to do this, just head over and click on this edit option that you can see right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the block editor of WordPress itself. So this will load in here in order to show that. You can see this right here. Click on this edit with Elementor in order to successfully edit it. Now from in there, as you can see, this will open this 404 page with Elementor. Now in order to edit this out, you can actually add something. Now you can see right here that I have in here this layouts. So you can actually add containers, grids, headings, text editor, buttons right here. So you can head over, and from this case, I'll head over first and add in here a container. Now on this container that I have just made, I need to head over and add in here a button if I want. Click on this plus icon, and then from in there, let's click and add this button, drag it right here. And then on this button right here, you can edit it out. You can put in here this, click here. So for example, let's put in here home page. Then just put in here the home page that you have right here. So you can actually edit it out, and you can see this link options in here as well. You can open it a new window or add a no follow options. Then you can also change the icons if you want, as well as the button ID. And you can also change the style. As of right now, it's color green. Let's change it into pink as well, since it's a color theme of our actual theme right here. So let's head over and change it into that particular color. So let's change it right here. You can toggle this right here, and as you can see, it has been added. So once you're done with that, just click on this update option in order to update everything that you have just made. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe, because I'll reach more people. See you soon.